people, I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab. To mention Harari, technological sophistication and disruption will revolutionize the lives of tech-savvy societies. It will on the contrary imperil the otherwise ones by germinating a new useless class, creative destruction and so forth. Then, to ensure their prosperity and a better standing in the Committee of Nations, institutional digitization has become inevitably important for nation-states. In this reality and against this backdrop, our topic under discussion for today is institutional digitization in Pakistan, prospects, challenges and recommendations.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.